The farm! If you haven't guessed it, because every time we are in the rickshaw and it's early morning, we are going to the farm always. We have a lot of stuff, as you can see, bags, food, all of this, and we are late, but that's okay because we have a lot of stuff. And yeah, it's going to be a very special trip because it's the 5 of us meeting after a long time, and we won't be meeting for a long time because everybody's going everywhere. I'm going back to Canada. They're going to Australia. Harshit's in Delhi. Bhavesh is obviously going to be somewhere else.
Like Harshit specially flew down from
Delhi to come and meet us.
For this trip.
For this reunion that we're going to have. The struggle is real. We're in the back seat again. There's so much saman still. आशु तू बैक में मत जो आगे बैठा है उसके हाथ में देगी.
कपकेक्स कैसे दूं भाई? टूट जाएगा, कुछ हो जाएगा. बहुत प्राइसलेस है.
Can you say hi? Hi. Can you say hi? भावेश. इधर से उधर से क्या दिख रहा है? Are you excited? Trip has started now officially. Harshit, you know the drill. What are you supposed to do?
जयकारा.
शर्वली माँ.
तेरी सदा.
क्या है ये? क्या है? कौन बोलता है तेरी सदा?
अरे पूरा बोलना होता है.
जयकारा शर्वली माँ बोल सच्चे दरबार की.
हाँ ये होता है.
I knew you were trouble when you walked in.
खाने वाला मॉल का नाम क्या था?
उर्वी. विवियाना.
विवियाना बाप है.
Thane Mall is why Viviana is Asia's largest mall.
ऐसे बोल रही है भाई.
तो जब
थाने का 1 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर में.
Let me show you what I'm missing. Paradise. So we've got down now.
We go to McDonald's
for breakfast.
Brekkie.
And what you gonna have?
I'll get a coffee for sure.
Cold coffee. Oh my god, McDonald's iced coffee.
Iced coffee, yeah.
And I think just go for a wrap.
I think I'm gonna have the veg McMuffin. I really like that.
They have a veg McMuffin?
Yeah. Oh.
तो उसके बाद उसने मुझे देखा, मैंने उसको देखा, मैं 5 सेकंड उसको देख रहा था, फिर उसने ऐसे मुंह बनाया आगे.
तो जबरदस्ती के स्लाइड में था भाई.
नहीं. Bro, that's so cool. That is so cool, bro. And after a million years, we have reached Sharda Kutir. We literally have so much stuff right now, and we've reached. Give. I knew you would do this.
You're the only empty-handed girl I can see right now.
अरे रुक जा.
ये तो छोड़ ही दिया मैंने.
अरे nice bag.
मेरे को सच्ची देखना है इसके बैग में क्या.
Beautiful entrance. Love it.
मेरा फोन कहाँ है?
It's raining क्या?
ये बटरफ्लाई देख.
Yay! Beautiful place. We are here.
ये बारिश गिरी है मुझे.
Are you working today?
नहीं यार, थोड़ा सा कल का दिन का.
Wow, love it. तू लैपटॉप लेकर आया. Hard working, work from home guy. Guys, these are some fresh pineapples, which we're going to be having later because we have some good ones that are ready to eat. Where's papaya?
वो देख दिख रहा है?
Somewhere there.
पहले नोटिस नहीं किया था.
This papayas.
बहुत छोटे थे, अभी बहुत उग गए हैं. बहुत उग गए. ये देखना, ये वाले तो.
He is the farmer here, Mali. Full outfit ऐसे ही लग रहा है भाजी तरह.
पके हुए
हाँ? तेरे पैर में कीड़े हैं.
क्या बात कर रही है? मैंने फोल्ड किया.
तू घर के चप्पल बाहर लेकर आ गया. So that is Badshah. He protects this farm. That's mango tree. And it's beautiful. Beautiful girl.
Yeah.
So we have vada pav here, we have misal,
और ये कांदा दे दीजिएगा.
So we're done with lunch. Had really good, tasty, proper Maharashtrian lunch. Now we've come back to the farm, and I don't want to sleep. I want to shoot content or take pictures or do fun things. But I think people right here are ready to sleep. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and then number 5 somewhere. I can see him from here. I think no. So let's see what we do. But we have fun things planned for the evening. How do you guys feel about all of us being in the farm together one last time for a while? चढ़ गया है bro. Guys, he's fall, guys. Guys, no.
बंद तो करा दे, बंद तो. अरे धीरे चलाऊंगा ना.
It's time to go ऊपर to enjoy the view.
हाँ. पकड़ लिया अभी. अरे ये देख एक बार, ये हैंडल पकड़ ले.
This is
This handle.
Bhavesh from this side.
चलो
ये गोल.
This is actually scary.
भाई उसको बोल हैंडल पकड़ने.
पागल है क्या? Once again. Okay, I think this will be a better frame. हम सब आएंगे. Are you ready, guys? Are you okay, Bhavesh?
खेल बोल.
नहीं. I'm worried for Bhavesh. Bhavesh, please. We have a... This looks so pretty.
ऐसे पट 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 करके.
So I'm going to be requesting everybody to share a memory of us together, like a very nice memory that they hold of all of us together. Right? Harshit, what's your favorite memory of us together? Of all of us together?
Bhutan. Nice.
What about Bhutan? Just
जब हम पोपी पत्थर गेम खेल रहे थे.
where was that?
वो outside that some museum type place we had gone यार.
पानी वानी भी था क्या वहाँ पे?
अरे आ रहा है भाई लोड हो रहा है इसका शट द फक अभी तो दे भावेश. उस टाइम भेजी का आरआर चालू होता था घर पहुंचने का.
Do you want to show that face that I used to make when you guys would make plans?
Make plans.
Guys, let's go here. Let's go to Magica. Huh? Let's go to Magica. Simran, do you want to go to Magica?
हाँ चलते हैं ना.
Let's go to farm.
इसको भेज 11:30 का अलार्म लगा और इसको भेजा रिक्शा बढ़ेगा और
रिक्शा नहीं चल के जाएगा रेंग के जाएगा.
वैल्यू नहीं टूटी है. टूटी.
हम सब मैं
मेरा
मेल
मेरी
मैरी हैड अ लिटिल
रिलेशनशिप पार्टनर मॉडल
लेडी
मैं
मॉडल हीरोइन
स्टेज
एक्ट्रेस
बड़ी
हो गया. अरे आगे तो वो ऐसे
बस मिसेस का मूवी
नहीं सेकंड वर्ड तो गेस नहीं कर पाओगे भाई.
नहीं करेंगे सो वेट हर्षित द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज मिसेस
मिस
मिस एक्सक्यूज मी मिस शहनशाह राजा प्रजा.
अगर हमारी टीम से 13 रह जाता है लास्ट तक तो हमारी टीम जीत जाती है. अगर इनके टीम से एक सबका हो गया तो इनकी टीम जीत जाती है.
ये खेल के समझ आएगा.
पूछ क्या हो गया.
For our college days.
And
Oh my god, there are pictures over the cupcakes, guys.
ये good pictures. I can see good pictures.
मानसी की
This is so cute, guys. Oh my god.
वो मेरी
तू गाड़ी तेरा बंद करेगा?
मेरी छपरी वाली जीप तो देख लो भाई एक बार.
कौन सी वाली जीन्स?
छपरी वाली जीन्स तो है इसमें।
Oh my god, guys, these are all our pictures. Oh my god! Guys, these are all our pictures on cupcakes. This is so cute.
ये ब्रो ये कैसे प्रिंट कर सकता है तू? ये प्रिंटर खराब नहीं हुआ प्रिंट करते टाइम।
Biscoff.
Okay.
This is red velvet. This is chocolate truffle, and this is dark chocolate.
So I want dark chocolate and I want
I
biscoff.
want red velvet and dark chocolate.
Okay.
Dibs. Obviously, guys, I broke a glass and I hurt myself.
Here.
तू वहाँ बैठ
1,
यहाँ बैठ जा
2, 3.
लाइट
But I'm
में
okay.
रहेगी तो यूज
I'm fine.
हाँ नोट से कहते हैं लाइट बहुत
हाँ वो दूसरा है.
You want to tell my vlog what happened?
As usual.
as usual
As usual.
not surprised
It wasn't anything that was bought.
क्या कर रहा हूँ
Nothing was stored. But this time it was broken. What was broken? The wine glass. और क्या हुआ उससे casualty? दीदी का
I've
पैर
hurt
कट गया.
my leg, but I think I'm okay. As long as I can take a flight on Tuesday, I'm fine, guys. Ashu, इतना साफ भी नहीं गा रहा है कि कॉपीराइट देखे. लागे ना रे मनवा लागे रे. क्या बोलती तू? क्या मैं बोलूं? सुना आदि का भंडारा.
क्या
आशिकी मेरी छत जाएगी तेरी. This is the next day in the morning and we started a day
मैं बैठ रहा हूँ
with
मुझे बहुत भूख लगी।
cupcakes. We have
कल रात का बताया कि नहीं ब्लॉग को अपने
paratha.
कांड जो किया तूने
ये है हर्षित, ये हमारे
Yeah, this is Harshit's.
ब्लॉग
this
के
is-
हाइट में दिखते हैं
This
मुझे।
is Harshit's POV. Sorry.
ऐसे ही दिखते हो
Yeah. This looks so pretty in the morning. Is somebody playing music? Oh. Yeah, so just starting the day with cupcakes and we're going to have aloo paratha. Then we're leaving for home. And just like that, a beautiful weekend will be coming to an end. All good things have to come to an end. Not always. Aloo paratha, chutney. Everybody's enjoying. Beautiful view. Gando. Nice. And it's raining. Wow. But it's always beautiful to watch rains from here. But this is really very pretty. This lighting looks so good on my face. I think I'm glowing, guys. Really like this lighting. Why can't I just always have this lighting on my face? Because my makeup is just bare minimum, but it looks so good. Love it.
The senior owners.
The owners of the farm, they are here. Thank you for the lovely stay. It's so beautiful.
Tell hi.
Hi. Amma, say hi. And say hi.
Yes. It's
Hi.
time to say goodbye now.
Yes. Can you say like, share, subscribe? Like, share, subscribe. So cute.
इतना बड़ा हो गया, मैंने इतनी बच्चे जैसा इसको प्लान किया था. Just
हट एक मिनट फ्रेम में आ रहा है तू.
वाह वो इतना बड़ा है.
मैं फिर में आ रहा हूँ
नाइस यार.
यार।
So-
तुमने स्टार्टिंग में जब हम आते थे तब क्या सुनाया था? वो
इससे
mint था ना?
पेस्टो बनता है ना?
बेसिल पेस्टो
It's really raining and it's time to say bye to the farm. Bye farm.
The duration between Khopoli and Mumbai is about 2 hours. We'll be cruising at the altitude of
You're not stopping anywhere, no?
25,000 feet
Knots,
north.
maybe बोलता है।
It's a direct flight.
It's a direct flight with no stop. And we have a great cabin crew taking care of you behind.
Heading back.
You enjoy the flight.
We have the ground staff seeing us off.
Yes. We got a clear runway, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be taking off right now. Hope we have a nice flight over there. That's our ground staff waving us. Bye. We're approaching the runway in 3, 2, 1. do you
I'm
want to
gonna miss
take
you
it?
so much.
मैंने बोला, I should
We
see.
got
तो मैंने
this.
कहा,
Next year we'll be
"भाभी,
meeting
बोलो, yes, I'm
in
sure."
Rome or Italy or
We'll take a like international trip.
Yes,
'cause
for sure.
Now that's the only way we can meet once
Yes.
a year.
yes. Also
so-
POV backseat, backseat.
सामने A380 का होटल है भाई
आलूशी
Yes.
टस्कनी बजाना
दस ओ भाई ये सब क्या है
बाप रे,
तेरे को देख के मेरे को टस टस करने का मन करता है.
क्या करने का मन करता है
गलत बात
टस,
बोल दिया
टस।
मेरे एंड मत सुन नहीं पाएगा गंदी बात
So yeah, I love you and I'm gonna miss the farm. I'm gonna miss. Thank you for the cupcakes. Thank you for the lovely food. Bye. Like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe.
Bye.